Hi students, I'm happy to see you again. Today our lesson theme is life in the city. In this lesson we'll be looking at the topic town and city. So the aim of the lesson is to develop language, communicative and cultural competences, critical thinking and creativity. We will enlarge vocabulary related to the topic town and city to improve speaking and writing skills. Let me introduce you with the plan of the lesson. We will try to identify the definitions of the terms town and country, to determine differences between town and country, and we will try to explain the formation of comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. We will consider the ways of giving directions. Students, when you think of or hear the words town and country, what comes to your mind? What do you associate it with? Think over and complete which you can see on your screen. What is a town? Can you give me the definition of the term town? So pay attention to the definition of the term. A town is a type of human settlement that is generally larger than a village but smaller than a city. The exact definition can vary depending on the country or context, but here are the common features. So these learners, it is turn to differentiate the term country. How do you think? What is a country? Please pay attention to the definition of the term. A country is a small community in the countryside or rural area. Now let's point out the key characteristics of a town. First one is the population. Typically has a moderate population size, larger than a village but not as large as a city. Services and infrastructure, the second one, includes basic services like schools, shops, police stations, post office, and healthcare facilities. The third one is governance. Often has a local government or council that manages municipal services. The fourth one is economic activity. May have some industry, businesses, or markets, but not as developed or dense as in cities. 5. Community usually has a closer knit community than cities, but more diverse than villages. Key features of a country. First, small population, often a few hundred to a few thousand people. 2. Basic services like a school, small shop, or church, mosque, temple. The third one, few buildings and simple infrastructure. The fourth one is often based on farming, fishing, or small trades. The next one is people may know each other well, a close-knit community. Now it's time to give a turn to the grammar material. We will discuss comparative and superlative form of the adjectives. Comparative degrees of the adjectives means comparison between two nouns, and superlative degree of the adjective means comparison of a noun with other nouns in a group. The one-syllable adjective add er or for comparative and est for superlative. For example, small, smaller, the smallest. Tall, taller, the tallest. Fast, faster, the fastest. John is taller than Mary, and Tom is the tallest boy in the class. One syllable ending in consonant plus vowel plus consonant doubles the last consonant, then add er or est. For example, big, bigger, the biggest. Hot, hotter, the hottest. Thin, thinner, the thinnest. Two-syllable adjectives ending in y. Change y to I, then add er, est. For example, happy, happier, the happiest. Busy, busier, the busiest. Angry, angrier, the angriest. Adjectives with two syllables, not ending in y, use more for comparative and most for superlative form. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. Expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. Comfortable, more comfortable, the most comfortable. Example, this chair is more comfortable than that one. She is the most beautiful girl in the class. Formation of comparative and superlative degrees of irregular adjectives. So, for example, good, better, the best, bad, worse, the worst, far, farther, further, the farthest, the furthest. Example, apples are better than chips. He ran the fastest. Giving directions. Phrase go straight means keep moving forward. For example, go straight on this road. Turn left right means move to your left or right side. Turn right at the corner. Go past means keep moving after you pass a place. Go past the school. Cross the street means go from one side of the road to the other. Cross the road at the lights. Behind means at the back of something. The garden is behind the building. It's on the left or right means the place is on your left or right side. The shop is on the left. Next to, right beside something. It's next to the bank. Between means in the middle of two places. It's between the school and bank. In front of means before or ahead of something. It is in front of the supermarket. Walk along means walk beside something, like a road or path. Walk along the river until you see the bridge. Go around means move in a circle or avoid something by walking past. Go around the park to get to the library. Now students answer the questions about the topic, life in the city, relying on your knowledge you obtained today. What is the definitions of the words a town and a city? What are the key features of a town and a city? Why do we use comparative adjectives? Why do we use superlative adjectives? What are phrases of giving directions? Here are 3 writing tasks on the topic town and city designed for pre-intermediate level students. Each task includes a clear prompt, word count suggestion, and a writing tip to guide the learner. Writing task 1. Describe your town or city. Write a short paragraph about your town or city. What is it? Name it. Where is it? What places can people visit? What do you like or dislike about it? Writing task 2. City versus town. Which do you prefer? Would you rather live in a city or a town? Explain your choice. Write about what you like or dislike in each place. Example, noise, transport, shops, people. Writing task 3. A day in the city. Imagine you spent one day in a big city. What did you see and do? Where did you go? Describe your days as if it really happened. Here is a case study task on the topic life in the city. Case study task visiting a new town. Anna visits Sunny Town. Anna is from a small village. Last weekend she visited Sunny Town for the first time. She went by bus. In Sunny Town she saw many big buildings, a shopping mall, a cinema, and a large park. Anna ate lunch at a small cafe. She liked the park the most because it was clean and quiet. Anna thinks town life is exciting, but she prefers her quiet village. Answer the questions. Where did Anna go last weekend? How did she travel? What places did she see in Sunny Town? What did she like the most? Does Anna want to live in a town? Why or why not? Making conclusion of our lesson, we can point out that the definitions of the terms town and country were identified. Difference between town and country was determined. The formation of comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives was explained. The ways of giving directions were considered. So these students, you can get more information about the themes that we have learned today from the references that is given on the slide. That's the end of our video lesson. Thank you for your attention, and I believe you will do your best and fulfill all the assignments given in this video lesson. Bye and good luck.